How to prevent or filter mean comments on TikTok. Many people don't know this, but TikTok actually has an anti-bullying feature built in. So let's learn more about that and how we can turn it on. To start, go to your profile page, which will look like this. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. On this page, tap on the second one down, which is Privacy. Scroll down to the Interaction section. Then, tap on Comments. Here, under Comment Filters, tap on Comment Care Mode. You can see this will pull up TikTok's anti-bullying protection page. To turn on Comment Care Mode, tap this on. And as you can see, it'll explain a little bit about it. Basically what it will do is hide or remove comments that other people have flagged, comments that have been reported in the past, and comments that TikTok's algorithm determines are mean, offensive, or hurtful. Note, however, that it will filter comments that contain profanity, even if they aren't hurtful. I've heard people reporting that. So if you have a type of audience that uses a lot of profanity, maybe you don't want to have this on. Anyway, once you have it toggled on, go ahead and tap on Save. From here, you can go ahead and back out. You're done. That's all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.